Is it time to buy or sell ASML Holding stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ASML Holding. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of the 15th of October, 2024, our system has identified ASML Holding as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a loss of -7.92%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.61% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which may indicate a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, priced at $647.40, be breached, it could signal a more pronounced downward movement. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 17.08% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 20.18% to an increase of 3.22%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests an expected change of 11.47% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 11.47% and 88.31%. This translates to a projected price range between $749.67 and $1,266.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for ASML Holding includes the headline, ASML Holding stock downgraded from sell candidate to strong sell candidate after the Thursday trading session. The ASML Holding stock price declined by 1.65% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, moving from $683.83 to $672.55. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.37%, ranging from a low of $667.22 to a high of $683. The stock has shown volatility over this period, resulting in a 4% loss over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indication, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 769,000 shares, bringing the total to 2 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.46 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $1,110.09, while the lowest price was $627.37. Currently, the stock price sits at 39.41%, or $437.54, below the 52-week high of $1,110.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. ASML has recently garnered attention, with various analyses and discussions among investment committees expressing both caution and optimism. The semiconductor giant is currently seen as undervalued, mainly due to a weaker outlook for the year 2025 amid geopolitical uncertainties. Nevertheless, its unique position as the sole provider of extreme ultraviolet or EUV lithography technology offers a considerable edge in the market. This has led to a rating upgrade, positioning ASML as a strong buy for medium-term investors. Despite facing a challenging year marked by a significant decline in share price, analysts point to ASML's potential for a 30% increase in enterprise value over the coming year, suggesting it could be an attractive buying opportunity. Recent movements in the options market indicate that investors are preparing for a possible price surge, reflecting growing confidence in its recovery. In the short term, ASML's stock may experience fluctuations as sentiment shifts between pessimistic revisions and optimism rooted in its technological advantages. However, long-term projections remain positive, with expectations that institutional buying and strong fundamentals will ultimately foster recovery and growth. Investors interested in semiconductor stocks should closely monitor ASML, taking advantage of potential declines while remaining mindful of market volatility. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned ASML an overweight rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, Bank of America Securities also rated ASML with a buy designation while recommending a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Raymond James provided ASML with a strong buy rating coupled with a hold action. Moving to Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Santander rated ASML as neutral and recommended an upgrade action. Finally, on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, Morgan Stanley assigned ASML an equal weight rating and suggested a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned ASML Holding stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. However, for return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for ASML Holding. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of ASML Holding presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a negative outlook for this stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of 701.61 cents and 781.08 cents. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14th, 2024, and to date, the stock has experienced a decline of 22.9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 77 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ASML Holding. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, demonstrating volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.78 between its high and low, which represents 2.37%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for ASML Holding, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 22nd of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $7.98. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ASML Holding. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ASML Holding is at $683.52. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be a consideration for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Exercise caution and only make trades if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is ASML Holding stock a good buy? Currently, ASML Holding presents several negative indicators and is within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative view on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a sell to a strong sell rating since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of November, we expect ASML Holding to open at $1.71 and begin trading at $674.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.